So welcome back to the channel, guys. This is going to be a quick video. Just want to let you guys know what I'm hoping to do with the car over the winter. Hopefully I'm able to execute everything. I'll just let you know what I'm looking to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install the line lock. This is by Race Specialty Designs, RSD. Pretty neat little unit here, and I went with this one because it's basically the only one on the market that's like just basically bolt in. You don't have to cut any of the existing brake lines. So I'm hoping to get this installed next. I'll make a video on how to install this step by step. I'll try to make the best video detailing everything for you guys, as I always do. The next modification I'd like to do is I would like to do the roll cage. I didn't really want to do the roll cage because that's kind of making it, officially in a race car. And I like to keep it stock appearing. And the car is making 900 crank horsepower, and I'm just not comfortable at this point running down the track or attending one of these roll racing events or these half-mile events without a little added protection. This doesn't feel like a 900 crank horsepower car to me. I mean, perhaps because it's a fairly lightweight car, but this thing moves. So I'm hoping to do the roll cage. The roll cages are very expensive. And I'm looking for a bolt-in roll cage. And I've been spending a lot of time researching and looking at all the roll cages that are available for the C6. And I'm just not really happy with them. I'll go into that in my roll cage video if and when I get it. But I will probably get a bolt-in roll cage. And then I'm going to take it to JTM Motorsports. And I'm going to have them tweak it. And I'm planning to do some other different things to it because you guys know me by now. I just have to tinker with everything and make things better and modify them and make them my own. So we'll do the line lock, the roll cage. I'd like to put an air-fuel ratio gauge in there. Another YouTuber who's become a friend of mine, Robert Fletcher, just posted a video. AEM came out with a really cool air-fuel ratio gauge. And you're able to pull data from it. Check out his channel. His name's Robert Fletcher. He's got a gorgeous cyber gray Z06. He just did the heads and the cam, and he's getting ready to dyno it. So we'll do the line lock, the roll cage, the air-fuel ratio gauge, and then I'm even considering adding a little more power. Believe it or not. I'm not going to say what I'm thinking about doing. Planning on doing something a little different. But maybe I'll run the car a couple times in this current setup so I get a good feel for it. I mean, I haven't even ran the car once, really, with this new setup making 900 crank horsepower. So I could potentially throw another 100 horsepower at the car, but we'll see about that one. And the last thing I'm hoping to get, I need a trailer. I'm not going to deal with this, trying to rent a trailer, find a trailer. That's got to stop. If I have the trailer, I can attend any event I want. The only issue is where the heck do I put the trailer? So I have to go around and try to figure out how much it's going to cost to store this thing at one of these storage places. I do have 2 driveways, but let's be honest, that'll look ugly. I could put it in my backyard. I have a 8-foot gate, but then that takes away space from the yard, and that'll look horrible sitting in the backyard and kill the grass. So that's basically it. So I'm going to do the line lock next. Then following the line lock, I'm going to do the roll cage. Then the air-fuel ratio gauge. Then hopefully the trailer, and this is, I'm also a little limited with the weather. I mean, it's extremely cold. I've got this heater on full blast, but this does absolutely nothing in here. You only feel the heat if you're like 3 feet away from it. And it doesn't do anything in this garage. It's not the heater's fault. The garage is just too big. I mean, what is it, like 35 long by 17 wide, I think it is. Yeah. So that's it. Line lock, roll cage, air fuel ratio gauge, trailer, and potentially another 100 horsepower. And maybe I'll just run it like this for maybe half the summer. I don't know, we'll see. Regarding the potential 100 more horsepower I might add to this, we're at 900 crank. They say they can, this stock forged bottom LS3 can handle 1,000 crank horsepower. So why not put that to the test? And what's the worst that could happen? The engine blows up? Honestly, I wouldn't cry over that. I'd kind of be happy because now I get to go out and buy a fully built motor and then we could turn this thing into a 1,500 crank horsepower car. So, again, I don't think I would cry if it blew up. But, let's see what happens. So that's it, guys. Alright, so I just want to keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. There's more videos to come. Bear with me. It's really cold and it's not easy to work in this garage with no heat. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if it's the first time joining, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.